Good morning, everybody. April 6, 2024. Today marks 316 days on the road. Right now we're in Cherry Creek Campground in Colorado, and this is our campsite. Let me show you guys around. We're staying at spot 140. You got a nice pull-through site. So over here's the fire pit, and over here is the picnic table. And around this way we have the water. Woo, it's cold. All right, looks like you got 50, 30, and 20 amp. And over here you got the water. And over here we got a dump station. And right over here they got the restrooms. They also have washers and dryers.
So I downloaded this app. It's a pay range, and then I funded it with Apple Pay. It will notify you 33 minutes, so I don't need to like put timer. And all I need to do is slide to pay, and then you start. So you got 35 minutes for washer number 3, machine number 3. See, this is how is it. Pay with your phone, download the app, add funds, slide to pay.
And right now we're gonna go pick up a pie because we're gonna visit my cousin I haven't seen for a long time. So exciting.
Look what I got. I went to Costco.
Dude, I've been trying to eat this cake for the longest time. Last time I seen this cake, it was only all of 5 of us, and I was like, I can't finish that cake. But now, we're gonna visit my cousin, and we're gonna eat this cake. 2 cool things in one day. Okay, 3. She's pretty cool too. Hey guys, check it out. We're in Colorado, and look who I ran into. Nicole and Jacob.